जिंदगी में पॉजिटिविटी, ड्यू सॉफ्ट के साथ खुशहाली और तरक्की भी, आदर्शों के वो कर बीज हमने उगाई है वो फसलें,
जिनकी कामयाब कहानी पे नाज करेंगे सब नस्लें।
आकाश हमारी सरहद है, इतिहास बनाना मकसद है, जो राहें जाए मंजिल तक, जो राहें जाए मंजिल तक, कर तैयार उनका नक्शा,
कर तैयार उनका नक्शा।
तो चलो दिखाए जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की यही पहचान, लाखों घरों की मुस्कान, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की आइडेंटिटी, जिंदगी में पॉजिटिविटी, ड्यू सॉफ्ट के साथ खुशहाली और तरक्की भी, छोटी छोटी नावें कर जाएं, हो गहरे से गहरा समंदर,
बड़े बड़े डूब जाते हैं जहाज, कर भर जाए पानी अंदर।
हम सोच बनाए पॉजिटिव, लाइफ में लाए एक मोटिव, जब जोश और जुनून से बढ़े हर कदम,
तो आसान लगे हर रास्ता।
तो चलो दिखाए जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की आइडेंटिटी, जिंदगी में पॉजिटिविटी, ड्यू सॉफ्ट के साथ खुशहाली और तरक्की भी, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की यही पहचान, लाखों घरों की मुस्कान, 10 सालों का इतिहास, जीता सबका विश्वास, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की आइडेंटिटी, जिंदगी में पॉजिटिविटी, ड्यू सॉफ्ट की पहचान, 15 लाख हैप्पी फैमिलीज।
Friends, this is Sumit Lathia,
And I'm Neelam Lathia. Good morning, Dewsoftians!
and we welcome you all on 10th Annual Award and Recognition Ceremony on behalf of all the Crown Jewels and Company to celebrate the glory of institution for a decade of leadership through excellence around the world. जी हाँ दोस्तों, 10 years of success. Yes, Neelam.
सबसे पहले तो नमस्ते, हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम and of course, सत श्री अकाल!
जी हाँ, Dewsoftians, can we hear the 10 years of success? Are you ready?
10 years of success, 10 साल. 99% of the MLM companies don't see the year 10th. And we have not only successfully completed 10 years, but we have grown over the years. We have grown in terms of number of associates and also the products and services offered. Started on 24th October 2000, on the day of Dhanteras in Hindu mythology, the world's best program, Earn While You Learn, was established.
Dewsoft develops one of the largest educational portal, that is education.dewsoftoverseas.com. Dewsoft has registered more than 150 copyright course, that is unparalleled achievement in the industry.
Dewsoft has developed the fastest associate network of 5,000 plus in just first 50 days, and it's a record in itself.
As a major achievement, flagship courses offered by the Dewsoft Education Academy were recognized by the state governments, Employment Exchange Board of Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.
Dewsoft Idol led to the fundamental changes in the approach of channel partners who became more conscious of the standardization of presentation of the self and the product.
It aims delivering superior educational technology, excellent services and helpful technical support around and across the world.
In continuation with the constant literacy program, undertaken by the company. Educational camps organized in the remotest corners of India and Nepal, teaching more than 20,000 students basic computers, hygiene and personality development, and taking tele to more than 30,000 students across the world, a feat impossible by any non-private funded organization.
Duesoft aims to provide technology based on management, based on network marketing, with related to computer education within the education industry. And we aim higher. We would like to be the number one in next decade. Friends, I and Neelam welcome you all over, all people coming all over the world. I welcome all the Duesoftians from Nepal. I welcome all the Duesoftians from India. I welcome all the Duesoftians from Mauritius and all over the world. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the Duesoftians.
Friends, it's a privilege to be the part of such a great, such a wonderful company. And it's a great pleasure to stand in front of you all. We are given a chance to say few words about the company.
तुम्हें पता है नीलम,
Yes, Sumit?
आज हमें क्यों ये मौका दिया गया?
Kyun?
As a crown jewel, why we are on the stage?
Yes.
एक ऐसा कपल इस ईव को स्टार्ट करे जो ये मैसेज कन्वे कर पाए कि आने वाले 10 साल में अगर हम इस बिजनेस को एज अ फैमिली प्रमोट करते हैं तो हमारा प्रोग्रेस इससे 10 टाइम्स बेटर हो जाएगा.
Yes. Definitely, definitely, Sumit.
Because when men promotes any business, it promotes to men. But when female promotes the business, she promotes to the family. And family environment will create a huge progress, will create a good environment, healthier environment.
True, Sumit. Very true.
Let us have on the stage
The great couple
the great couple.
who with their sincere efforts inspires others to do more, to become more, to achieve more. Who before 10 years started the company and through their sincere efforts, dedication, persistence has reached at the level that today more than 15 lakh people around the world have joined them. And millions more would be joining in coming years.
क्या बुला लिया जाए दोस्तों?
Yes.
With your great claps. Yes. With music.
With your standing ovation.
Let us have on the stage very respective personality. Please welcome on the stage. Please put your hands together for none other than our great MP, Mr. and Mrs. Rishi Sathau.
Will
Yes.
the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door. We started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding.